Let's take a look at a deluxe studio with a walk-in shower at Copper Creek in Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort. All right, so we are in a deluxe studio here at Copper Creek. When you walk in and turn to your right, there is this closet. You have your extra pillow and blanket and plenty of room for all of your belongings. Next to that is our little kitchenette. There's some cute cupboards there, a little sink, a full Keurig, an actual mini fridge, more storage, lots of spots to put dry goods and snacks for the kids. Coming around, across from the kitchenette, there's this gigantic mirror, that's really cool, which also doubles as the door, for the bathroom. That really is huge. Coming in, this is a really big vanity for a studio. Lots of space to put all your stuff. Storage. This is the shower and the toilet room. And this is a walk-in shower. You can request a walk-in shower or you can get one with a tub for the littles. Now we're staying on points this stay, so I did not make that request. I just booked whatever I could. Coming out into the living area. Say hi to Katie. You have a cute little table and chairs. We already did some shopping, so forgive the mess. Nice size queen bed. I really like the size of the nightstands too. There's actually a bunch of storage. Not really deep, but the fact that you get 3 drawers on both sides, that's really nice. Definitely have plugs and charging ports. This headboard is really cool too. And then Katie is sitting on the couch, and then this is going to pull down for our second queen size bed. Oh, fancy. An extra eating surface or where you can work. And then we have the nice smart TV and plenty of storage here as well. And then this is the door for the 1 bedroom to turn this into a 2-bedroom lock-off. And we are on the 2nd floor. We're on the 2nd floor, and look at that cute little patio. So there is our Murphy bed. This room can sleep up to 4, so there's no 5th sleeper, but there's definitely more than enough room between the beds when everything is pulled down. And there is the platform, so you can put your suitcases if you need to. So there's definitely more than enough room for 4 people. Well, that's going to do it for our room tour of a deluxe studio here at Copper Creek, part of Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Have you stayed in the new refurbed rooms? What do you like about them? Are they much more of an upgrade from the older rooms? I think so, and I've never stayed at Copper Creek, but the fact that the Murphy bed is here as opposed to the pull-out bed, much more comfortable. And it seems to be a little bit more modern, updated. So if you stayed here, let me know in the comments what you liked about this resort. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more room tours around Walt Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.